Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we are going to have a bag. It is a little bit smaller than a box and it is a fun little bag and it is called the Genglow bag. Although it says box on here, this is the Bubble Mailer and this will have about 4 items for $24.99. If you would like to have the full box, you will get 8 to 9, items that are self-care and lifestyle related for $45.79. There is shipping of about $8, so this bag, if you decide that you want to subscribe for the bag, it is $33 approximately with the shipping. And I would have to say with the box, you're talking about $53 maybe, somewhere around there. But it is a great little subscription. It is a self-care and I have enjoyed it very much. Great things can come in small packages. And let's pop in here and see what we have. Hey guys, while I'm opening this up, I should give you all a proper welcome. Welcome all my subscriber friends. And if you're new here, why don't you consider subscribing? Hit that notification bell and you'll know my next video. We do lots of unboxings here and unbaggings, and we do collaborations. So it's just a hodgepodge of a mix of things that we do here. We will have a couple of collaborations coming out here pretty soon, so be on the lookout for those. But right now, let's get into this Genglow bag. I can smell something really nice in here. I want to see if I can find my product card. There it is. Look at that beautiful rose. Almost matches my shirt, doesn't it? It says it's the February box, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is the February box. It always comes to me a little late, and then I have to schedule it in. So if you do order this, kind of look for it to be toward the end of the month when you get it. And this is self-love, so that might be their theme for this one. And it looks like we're going to have maybe 5 products. Let's take a look. Well, the first item I'm pulling out is a facial mask, and it is rose, so it's sticking with our theme. And this here, let's find this here. It's called the Rose Purifying Facial Mask by Awaken. It's a $6 value. It's a bonus item, and every once in a while she will throw in a bonus item in these bags and possibly even the box. Anyways, let the hydrating facial mask give your skin an invigorating boost and leave you with a smooth, radiant complexion. So this is rose, and it's good for all skin types, and it says purifying. So it's got kind of cute packaging, a little different than most. Let's see what we pull out next. Oh, that was our bonus. So next, she's got our regular bag packed. And so there's a little sneaky peek of what's inside here. And I smell something really good in here. So I'm just going to have to reach in here and go for it, as they say. It says Blackberry Raspberry Vanilla Soap by Lloyd's of La Luna. So let me see if I can find that, because that may be what I'm smelling. It smells really good. I think that's what it is. So raspberry vanilla, yes, this is a soap right here. And you can see it's marbled and it's got the purpley colors in it. And this soap has a smooth, fruity fragrance, oil bursting with all the goodness of ripe berries and creamy vanilla. But I'm telling you, it smells really good. Wow. It says it's handcrafted soap. And, you know, it's got olive oil, it's got canola oil, palm oil, and it's water soluble, of course, and it's got fragrance. So, yeah, this is a win. Go, go. Yeah, I like that. And it was an $11 value. So that's a little bit higher than some soaps. But, hey, it smells really good. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing, it says avocado algae-free mask. Okay, here it is. We have an avocado algae face mask, and this is a plant-based mask, and it has a value of $22. And inside this little packet, we have a little spatula with it too. You can tell that it's a green color, which would indicate the avocado, and it is not sealed. It smells kind of like avocado type clean, and I'm sure you're going to have to mix this with something. Let's see what it has to say before I go any further. Instantly notice soft and clean skin from the nourishing superfoods of avocado and spirulina and moringa that give your skin the vitamins it needs. So that's real interesting. It's a superfood, and then we're going to have to mix 1 to 2 scoops with water in the palm of your hand and create a thick paste and apply for 5 minutes and then rinse. And it says you can use it daily, and you can also use it to exfoliate. But anyway, so that sounds really good. I've never had a dry one like that you mix up, but those plant-based vitamins are very good to eat, and I would assume to be very good to put fresh on your skin, so that's a win. Our next item is the Bella & Bear Strawberry Bath Salt, and this is a $4 value, and they're very pretty, and it is sealed up, so I'm not going to open it up. Yeah, it's sealed. Dip into a paradise of fruit-scented baths and let your senses be uplifted. These cheerful fragrances are designed to energize you, leaving you feeling refreshed. Perfect way to boost any day. So that is really excellent, and I like that, and I like the color of them. That'll be real pretty in my bathroom. Alright guys, the next and last item is a matte attraction lipstick, and this here is the Wonder Beijing, it looks like. It is a comfortable, hydrating, highly pigmented travel size lipstick with a beautiful true velvet effect. And this is all wrapped up, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Look at the packaging. That's different, isn't it? It says Base Blue, so that's our brand. And oh, that's why it says travel size. Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? That is so cute. Oh my goodness, the packaging on this is just absolutely adorable. Let's swap it. And it's got a nice, rich, reddy blue tone. A blue-red, which I could use when I'm doing filming. Let's see if I can add some on and see how it looks. I don't know if we can notice that I put it on there because I had red on to begin with. But very nice. I like that. Oh, it's got a magnetic closure. That is just so cool. Wow, that was a great little surprise. And our next item, and I'm not quite sure about all of this. I've got a woven bag in here, and I don't know what this was. Maybe something was in this at some point. Maybe the soap was in it. I don't know, but there's a woven bag inside the bag. And then our last item, which is not on the card, it says, yay, self-love. We're honored to be part of your journey and feeling amazing. In this bag, you will find an array of fantastic items, perfect for showcasing yourself with much deserved love and care. And I should have mentioned that in the beginning. But this is what's inside the bubble mailer. And it doesn't say that this is inside here, but I got some jewelry, so I got another bonus. And this looks like to maybe be an interesting, oh my goodness, look at those earrings. Aren't they cute? I don't normally wear stud type earrings, but aren't those beautiful? I may have to change my mind. I like those. Those are really different. I like things that are different. And then here we've got a necklace to match the earrings. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. It's like asymmetrical. It's got like a triangle pattern in there. That is beautiful. Okay, I love this. I have no idea of the value, but I really thank Genglow for throwing it in. That is really beautiful. I love this whole bag. She always does an outstanding bag, and this was the bag. Can you imagine getting the box? So this is just fabulous. Okay guys, as a recap, we got this beautiful necklace and earrings, and it is a Genglow special. I guess they must design their own jewelry. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, I love it. I don't know if you can get the February bag or not, but you can ask them if you decide to subscribe. We got our lipstick by Base Blue with a magnetic closure. Very cool packaging. We got our avocado algae face mask, and that is very good. We got our soap, along with this bag, I think, to maybe put it in. And we got these salts. And it could be that she had these bagged up together. I don't know. I just know that that's what I got in my bag. Let's not forget our rose sheet mask. So this was just an excellent, excellent bag. Yeah, it's a great subscription and I love it. So we've done our recap. That's all I have for Genglow. Let me know what your favorite item was. What's my favorite item? My favorite is the jewelry. And guys, this lipstick, this is just such unique packaging. I know, there's so much to like, because I also like the algae fresh put on your face mask. That's excellent. And of course, this smells so good. Okay, great bag, great bag. What can I say? You guys let me know what your favorites are. Be sure and look in my description. If I have any discounts for this bag, I will have it down there. I can say sometimes when you pop on there, if there's not any links or my link doesn't work, sometimes they'll do an automatic, send your email and get 15% off. But check it out. I think you would not be disappointed with the Genglow bag, self-care bag. Take care of yourself. And as for Genglow, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.